Hey everyone, this is day 2. The higher 5,200. Right. It's a loud click. Yeah, get a screwdriver. Alright. We're gonna screw it and we're gonna start on a fan though. And I've always wanted one of these little ones. These are good units. There. Front should just come off. Should just come off like that. Ah. I don't know why I always keep doing that. Put the screw. Alright, we're gonna start a fan first. That's what we're blowing out. Fan. Looks like 62. Now I found crap or something. So I put a towel on it so it doesn't. Alright. Compressor. We have a Rotary Precision rotary in 3, 2, 1. Hasn't ran. It's a little loud. $66. Oh my god, that compressor sounds a little angry. 64, 65. Put it on high. It takes a while for it to get cooling. Got the laser. Got 33. Coming out, we have 66, so it's gonna take a little while to let it cool. We got the compressor. 70 degrees, but it's not cold yet. And not chilly. Not that hot. Gotta have to let it run for a little bit. And here is like 68, 69. Yeah, we have no airflow. This little spot here is like cold, really cold. Like 19. It's got to 11 degrees. What the? 3 degrees? 7? Wow. It's not hot. Okay. We're not getting cooling down. Yeah, it's getting a little cold. It's starting to go down. Let's see what we got in the back. 74, 72, 73. That it's not even hot yet. And it's getting a little hot back here. Lock the laser. 71, 77. Oh, we're getting hot. So it does work. What's the room temp in here? It's like 69. Yeah, it's not getting that cold. It's probably going, it's not flat or anything. This is not even cold. Ah, it's getting cold. It's coming down. There's a running capacitor. 60 degrees for the running capacitor. I'm hearing some noises. I don't have the side curtains for these. Let's see what we're getting. Alright, we're getting cold. High. It gets high pressure. It gets colder when you put it to high. Put it back to low. Wow, not that hot. Which I'm not going to take the front off because that'll break it, and I don't want to break it. Maybe a little dirty. 45, 43, 39. Oh, we're getting cold. So it does work, but it just takes a while for it to get cooling. Alright, let's feel that coil. 33, 34, 33, 35. Wow. That cold? Okay, here we go. We're down. Oh, we're getting down. What is it back here? Oh, it's hot. 81, like 80. Wow, it's around 81, 84. Alright, so so it does work. It takes a while to get to cooling because it doesn't run as that much. Alright, we'll go for the speeds and we'll shut it down. High, what were we getting? Like, wow, it gets colder when you put it to high. Back to low. Wow, alright, shut the compressor off. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys later. Out.